Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplify back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually start a private session on your Spotify application on iPhone so that your friends can't see what songs you're listening to. It's very easy. First off, open up your Spotify application. Now from there we go to the top left corner where your name appears. It's not possible to do it from your home screen. Now from there, go to the top left corner, go to settings and privacy. And from there, all we do is go to privacy and social right below car in the middle of our screen. Now from there, we get a couple of options. And the second option is our private session. Now, as you can see, we can turn it on by pulling the lever. And here you see the note, private sessions will automatically end after 6 hours. So make sure to re-enable it after 6 hours of listening. Now from here, when this is turned green and you see in the button of your screen right here in the button private session, if that appears, your listening activity is private. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks.